In this video, I will show you how to link your partner on the FLO app. First things first, grab your phone and open up the FLO app. Now that you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see an icon labeled Partner. Go ahead and tap on this icon. Once you're in the Partner section, you'll notice a button that says Link Your Partner. Tap on this button after tapping it. You'll be presented with a unique pairing code specifically generated for this connection. Next, tap on Send Pairing Code. You'll be presented with several sharing options. Choose any method that works best for you, be it text, message, email, or social media, and send that code over to your partner. Once you've shared the pairing code with your partner, they'll receive a link prompting them to download the FLO app. If they don't have it installed already, when they open their FLO app after installation, they'll need to enter the pairing code provided by you. This step is crucial as it pairs both profiles together seamlessly.